Well, hello friends, and thanks for viewing the Nyssa Tractor and Implement Company YouTube channel. It's Friday afternoon, April 20th, 2018. Take a break from our normal YouTube channel videos to show you what's going on Friday afternoon. Sun's shining, wind's blowing a little. Friday afternoon here at Nyssa Tractor, we got trucks coming in, trucks coming out, equipment going everywhere. Nyssa Tractor and Implement Company, Nyssa, Oregon. Call today for all your parts needs. There's John Henry. 888-372-4020. Happy Friday.